Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to explain about what are cryptocurrencies and some of the examples of cryptocurrencies. Now stay with me till to the end of this video. I think you will have learned a lot from today's notes which I'm going to try to explain for you guys. Our main issue of creating this channel is to aware people or teach people about how cryptocurrencies work, where they came from, where are they heading, where are we at the moment. Don't forget to also press that like button so many times. Also do subscribe to our channel because a lot of content is still uploading, and sign up with our reliable crypto broker which is Binance Limited to start your trading journey. You'll be able to trade over 600 cryptocurrencies plus investing in them. Okay, with that brief introduction, let me jump into my notes and see what I have for you today. Now, our topic today is what is cryptocurrencies and some examples of cryptocurrencies. Now, first, I want to be a little bit explaining about what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency or crypto is a digital currency that does not rely on any central authority to uphold or maintain it. Instead, transaction and ownership data is stored in a digital ledger using distributed ledger technology, typically a blockchain technology. Like we told you before, that cryptocurrencies, these are digital assets, or cryptocurrency is a form of virtual money which is transacted online by the use of a peer-to-peer network and internet. So for you to transfer money from your wallet to another wallet, you need to have internet and you need to have this decentralized wallets. Now, in brief, most of you would like to know more about cryptocurrencies, but large number of people they only know about only Bitcoin or Ethereum. But so far, if you try to go to CoinMarketCap, you can see we have over 20,000 cryptocurrencies in the world at the moment. Why? The crypto industry has just started like 12 years ago, but it's trying to innovate every time and again. Per day, every minute, every hour, someone comes up with his own cryptocurrency. Now that means the number of cryptocurrencies keeps on enlarging. Why? The industry is growing on a fast pace. So what you have to do is to get informed about this industry, stay following up those main figures in the cryptocurrency industry, so that you can learn a lot, because this crypto money is where the world is heading. Now, in brief, I've spotted a little bit examples of cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, first on our list, we have Bitcoin. As you know, its abbreviation is BTC. It is the first and global cryptocurrency which is known by everyone. The second one, we have what we call Litecoin. The third one, we have what we call Ethereum. And the fourth one, there is what we call Bitcoin Cash, is also a cryptocurrency. We have what we call Ethereum Classic. We have what we call Zcash, Stellar Lumens, and Bitcoin Satoshi. Now, Vision. Now, all these are cryptocurrencies which are made by people. Now, every cryptocurrency has its own utility, or why they created that cryptocurrency, because every cryptocurrency there is some utility or there is some work it's solving. Now, all you have to do before investing in a certain cryptocurrency, try to read about it, read their white paper, try to read their ecosystem, see what are they pushing, try to follow up those main figures who are behind that particular cryptocurrency. So in today's video, I try to come in brief and I show you most of the cryptocurrencies which we focus on, and which are highly being recommended if you are to invest in money. You can invest amongst these cryptocurrencies we have tried to analyze for you. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, plus commenting down below in the description If you have learned something or what videos you'd like us to make in the nearby future, plus signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance Limited. Also follow us on our social media platforms. All the links will be down there in the description. Take your time, check through all the links down in the description.